Hi guys, welcome to Ian's Product Focus. What we're going to be focusing on today is the DLI Joule HPS series from DLI. Coming two variants, they come in a 750 and a 1000 watt. They're both double-ended lamps, so they're both this connector on there, and you get your lamps stuck in there. Just lift the clips and that seals them. They both use the same shade, so the shade throws the light out really nice above your crop. Externally dimmable, so you can plug the DLI controller in here and daisy chain them across to control up to, I think it's about 500 lights. It's absolutely massive what you can do. If you don't use the external dimmer, what you can do is use the manual dimmer, where literally you can turn it up and down. This is a 750, it goes all the way down to 400, all the way up to 750 and boost, and the 1000 watt goes all the way up to 1150, and I think that goes down to about 600. So when you're running these lights, if you do need to dim them down, if they're a little bit hot, easy to do, either dim them on the controller or dim them on the manual knob. Why would I pick a DLI full fixture over what's available on the market? It's the only full fixture that I believe is still manufactured in Europe. It uses a European lamp, and again, it's European manufactured. It's got a 3-year warranty, so I'm quite happy to hang this up knowing that I'm not going to get any issues from it at all. It puts out what it says, so it's tested correctly. So a lot of the Chinese lamps are putting out massive UMOLs. This is correct. This is putting out the correct amount of UMOLs for the correct unit. You're not overpowering the lamp, and you're not going to basically burn out the electronics inside it. The shade is designed specifically to hang over your plants to give you a crossover on your HPS, so it gives you a perfect flat growing bed. It's just an all-round good fixture. We used to sell Gavita, as you know. Gavita's now left Europe. They're no longer selling into Europe. This is the best fixture on the market by far. The shades are really easy to change, and the lamp's really easy to take out. Just literally push that. Always wear gloves when you do this. I know I've not got them on. These DLI lamps are absolutely great. You can't get Philips double-ended lamps anymore. They've just stopped making them. The DLI lamp is a European sourced lamp. It's not Chinese, so you know it's the quality lamp you're looking for. You can buy cheap double-ended lamps from China. I would never buy them. I always stick to DLI. They're as good as what Philips were, just under a different brand. Slide them in, push them down, push the clips, you're up and running. The Joule has the spirit level. It's always nice to get the product completely straight, so you can get the spirit level to make sure it's level in the room. Really easy to hang. Comes with two little hanging hooks, one here and one here. Put the little hooks in and just hang it like that. It's a great HPS full fixture. We used to sell Gavita. Obviously the Gavita's gone. I would say this is a better product than Gavita. It works better, and it's still European sourced. If you want any more information on the DLI Joule fixtures, either jump on the G.A.S website or go straight to DLI. There's all the specs on there. It's a great fixture. Cheers guys.